Hello bachcho, the question is, the table gives the population in thousands of 10 species. The species are named from A to J in 4 areas P to S, consisting of the number of habitats given within brackets against each. Study the table and answer the questions which follows. So here in this table, there are given certain aspects like the species and their population. There are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J. These are the species. And here the area and the areas are P, Q, R and S, and the habitat are 11 habitat are in area P, Q 11 habitat, R 13 habitat, and in S there are 12 habitat. So we have to find out by looking at this table that which of the following has maximum species diversity. So when we say species diversity, it means number of species found in a given area or number of species per unit area. So the area which is having more number of species will be having species diversity, means high species diversity. Now let's look at the areas now. So in area P, there are 11 habitat and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So no members of E are there, no members of I are there. So the number of species found in area P is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So number of species is in area P is equal to 8. Now number of species in area Q. So in area Q there are no members of species D, no members of species B and no members of species G. So here the number of species are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here the number of species found in this area are 7. Now number of species in area R. So here in 13 habitat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 species are there, and in area S also in 12 habitat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 species are there. So if we compare the number of species, then in area P there are 8 species, in area Q there are 7 species. So these are not having maximum diversity, so these two are eliminated. Now we are left with R and S, as these are having equal number of species. But species diversity has some more aspects also. Here the number of species is equal in both the cases. But if we look at the habitat, then in R there are 13 habitat and in S there are 12 habitat. So in 12 habitat there are 10 species and in 13 habitat there are 12 species. So it means species diversity is more of area S, as here in 12 habitats 10 species are there. And also species diversity is measured in terms of evenness, means the relative abundance of the number of members of each species. So species diversity is a product of number of species or species richness, means the number of species present in an area, and also the relative evenness, means the relative number of various species. So if we compare these, then we will find that in S, in area S, there is relatively more evenness. There are 3.2 members of species A, 10.2, 11.1, 4.8, 0.4. So, in comparison to R, there is more evenness in the area S. And also here in 12 habitats, 10 species are found. So, it means the species diversity of area S is maximum. So, here out of these, the area which is having the maximum diversity is area S, because in less habitat more number of species are there, and also the number or evenness, relative number of the members of species are more even. So the right answer of this question is area S. It means option A. I hope this explanation is clear.